Okay, news coming in that the body of ace Indian mountaineer who died in an avalanche in the Andes is being brought back to India for his last rites. Late Malli Mastan Babu's body will be flown in from Argentina and will arrive in Chennai late on Sunday night or early Monday morning. The body will be taken to Nellore. And also remember, of course, he's one of the world's few summiteers to have actually climbed the world's 7 summits, really. T.S. Sudhir, our editor South, now joins us with more details. Sudhir, in fact, all the fans, friends of Malli have also been asking for a farewell of that befits a national hero. Is that something that we get to hear also?
His government that his body will be taken from Chennai airport to his ancestral village in Nellore, and there he will be cremated with full state police honors. Also, that whole task of getting his body out of the Andes Mountains where he was found dead on his descent has been quite a task. It has taken almost 2 weeks. Remember, he was found missing, he was reported missing on the 24th of March. And it was only towards the end of the month that his body was found. And after that, a lot of mountaineers had to trek up to actually get his body back. And now his body is being flown from Argentina to Chennai, after which it will be taken to his ancestral village in Nellore district.
Absolutely, and definitely going by, the popularity that Malli Mastan enjoyed, the way he was an inspiration for mountaineers, not just in India, but across the world. Clearly, it will be a very emotional, in a way, last comeback for this hero, Sudhir.
Absolutely. He was on top of the world for most of the time, and that was the kind of personality he exuded. And we have seen ever since he was reported missing the kind of reactions that Malli Mastan Babu evoked both online and offline. A lot of people actually praying for him, hoping that he would be found alive somewhere, but that was not to be. So it is going to be an extremely emotional farewell. A lot of his friends are expected to come either to Chennai or to proceed to Nellore to be part of that last farewell to Malli Mastan Babu. But definitely the world of mountaineering has lost its big hero, and as far as India is concerned, a very brave son lost.
Absolutely, and we will of course be watching that farewell, the farewell to a hero, and as they said, of course, that he is with the mountains now. Thank you so much, T.S. Sudhir.